Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I prepare this healthy simple salad. So we'll be using tomato, olive, carrot and iceberg. So let me show you how I prepare it. Very nice and interesting one. Thank you so much for coming back. I so much appreciate it. Hope you are doing well. So I'll go ahead and cut the iceberg into two and start cutting them. There are different ways to cut your iceberg. Some of the Spanish here, they use their hand to pick them and they, put them in the plate. But I like cutting mine because when it is cut very well, it will very appetizing. Just like this. This is my best way of cutting it. If I slice or cut them like this, I love eating them this way. How do you like cutting your own? Do you pick yours or do you cut them with knife? Let me know in the comment section. Anyways, all my salad, I use them as a base each time I am preparing a salad. So after cutting them, I will lay them on my plate. They should be there, the base. That is, when you put it on top of that, the next ingredients will go on top of the iceberg. Now you can cut your salad in a block way, but I don't want to cut them that way today because every salad has its own style of cuttings. I'm going to use my scraper and scrape them like this, and later I'll cut them into two because they are too long, and when it's too long it won't be, I don't know, I don't like it. I want to cut it more into shorter ways to fit in the salad. So after this is what I mean exactly, cutting them in smaller form after you have already done this. If you have a fruit sharpener, that is very nice. You can also use a fruit sharpener and sharpen your carrot. It will be very nice. But for now I don't have it, so I have other alternatives to go with it. So after that, you lay them also on top of the salad, as you can see me doing here. Alright, after having done that, this is the tomatoes I will be using. You either use this or cherry tomato. This one, they call it a better boy or a brandy wine. There are some of them that are called uh, green zebra, but this is exactly the one I will be using. I'll go ahead and remove the inside. I am not throwing it away. I will use this inside for macaroni, but in this or the form that I want to cut this tomato, I don't need the seed or the inside, so I'm removing it for another purpose. Don't throw it away. This tomato is very healthy. So after removing them, I'll go ahead and cut them the way I want. So I'm going to set aside that, and this is how I'll cut them. This is very delicious. Just try this salad, you will like it. You can have it as a meal, you can have it as a side dish, as an appetizer. It is very healthy. For weight loss journey, you can also use this. You know what I mean if you're a lover of salad. That has been cut. I'll go ahead and cut olive. This olive is serving as a salt in this salad. You can add salt, but I won't add salt because if you eat the salad and bite into this olive, you don't need salt again unless you too much like salt, and I don't think somebody does. So the next thing is to go ahead and add in the olive. I'll go ahead to set them in a way that if you're taking the salad, you take the salad, the carrot, the olive and the tomato. No one should be cheated. Remember, this is just three ingredients to have a healthy, delicious salad. Here they are, very nice, and these are my plates. I'm going to plate them. Alright, so now according to individual preferences, I'm going to serve the salad. I made three toppings for it. One is the one I use in my chicken shawarma recipe. I'll leave how to make mini chicken shawarma recipe in my description box so that you can check the video out if you have not watched it. and I'll also leave the link. It will pop on top of here. You can check it. Just serve the salad. I use the toppings for shawarma recipe for one. I use mayonnaise, which we always use for salad, for the second one, and also the olive garlic oil. Spraying it on top of the salad, and you will enjoy it. That is it. This is very healthy. Please try to incorporate this in your menu so that you can be enjoying healthy dish at least every week. If you like 3 or 2 times, you can take it. Some take it every time after their meal. So this is the chicken shawarma toppings. I'm going to add it here. All these toppings are very nice. Remember the olive in there make it so tasty, plus that tomato. Oh my goodness, you have to try this recipe. Thank you so much for watching, and this is how they came out. I'm just going to mix them very well and enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye.